Hello guys, and welcome to this quick tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how you can highlight and change your mouse cursor. Please do me a favor and subscribe. So let's get started. First, you want to right click on the Windows logo key, and that should bring us to settings. Click on settings, and then that should bring us to the systems window. What you want to do on the left, you want to scroll down to accessibility, and then under accessibility you want to go to mouse pointer and touch. So this is where we should be able to change how our cursor looks, change the highlight of our cursor. Either we just want it to be white, or you can go with black. Or you can also decide, no, I don't want black today, I want it to be inverted. And then last choice you have on this is the custom choice. So you can go with the custom option. So if you click on that, and then that brings you to also recommended colors. So you can pick your favorite color depending on what you want. I think today I'm gonna go with, let me say yellow. So once you click on yellow, an interesting thing also down here, keep on looking down the size, we are able to increase the size of our mouse cursor. This is really helpful, especially if you're presenting. If you look down at my cursor, you see the size is increasing. And this is, if you're really presenting, I think you wanna try this and make sure that you put it to a size that is good for you and that people will be able to see. And so you can customize it that way. If you keep on scrolling down, we have other things that can be set to on and off, like touch indicators that can be set to on or can be set to off. I think I'm going to leave mine off. And then there's also additional settings. If you look under related settings, you want to click on mouse pointer speed, primary button, and scrolling. So click on mouse. And then if you scroll down to additional mouse settings, click on that. All right, so over here we should be able to do more settings, customization. So let me put it right here. So when you click on pointer options, here you have the ability to display pointer trail, so people will be able to follow along where your cursor is going, especially if you're presenting remotely. So you can click display pointer trails, and voila, see what happens to my cursor. Sometimes this can be overwhelming, but if this works for you, this would be a good one to turn on as well. And then for now, I'm just going to turn this on off. And then also you can select show location of pointer when I press the Ctrl key. So what happens is you can just press the Ctrl key, and then that will show you the location of the pointer. Look at what happens when I press the Ctrl key. So there's more settings, customization that you can do, but I think this will be helpful, especially when you're doing a presentation or you're doing a screen capture. It is always good to change your pointer to a color that people can see and make it a little larger so that people can be able to follow along. Please, if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I hope it was helpful. See you in another video. Thank you.